Steve here, RC, and I got the Super Avante here. And we're gonna see if it could shred some snow. 4-wheel drive. Here we go. Super Avante. Oh, I just jumped the ramp. Stuck already. She can't go in the deep stuff. Try to make her look good. Avante Tamiya Avante Snowcat. Oh, she's hung up. She's getting heavy. Let's try that again. The Avante, beautifully machined parts, handle any terrain. Look at her go through the snow. The Avante. We got low voltage cutoff already. How could that be? I have it set to min pack. The Avante. Look at her go. She needs more steering. She definitely needs more steering, guys. She don't turn too sharp. Oh, hung up. The only one who ever rode a Super Avante in the snow. I don't turn for nothing. Let me see if I can get some more steering out of this. Look at that. That's full lock too. And that's with the bump stops off the steering. One thing this model doesn't have is a lot of steering. Ain't even turning the right. Something must be frozen up. Guess the Super Avante's not a good snow buggy. Check that steering out. It's freezing up in there. Something's binding. I beat it up a little bit. It'll steer better. Oh, it's frozen up. Something's not working right, guys. See the sophisticated way this thing turns and everything? It's all binding up. It's turning good to the right, but not to the left. No steering at all. Strange. That's take the body off, see what's wrong with it here. Yeah, always the new buggies never could go in the conditions. Guarantee I get an old Tamiya like the Vanquish and it'll work fine in this stuff. What's wrong with it? Snow binding it up somewhere. Snow gets in the steering. It's binding it up. So much for the steering setup. So that's it for the Avante. Try it one more time. Nope, it's just not steering. Something's binding up the steering, guys. Something's freezing in there. It's filled with ice. Yep, all snow gets caught in there. You see that? Oh well. We tried. Super Avante, super failure in the snow. Not a good snow machine. No steering at all, guys. It's completely frozen. That's it for this beauty. Turns to the right and that's it. No left-hand turns. Frozen up. Alright guys, sorry for the failure. Tamiya Super Avante fails in the snow. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you kind of like this failure video, but I'll see you next time. Please leave a comment and a like. Shen RC out.